Yeah, it's probably good with the power wash, and then just start to get it with the brake cleaner and wire
Brake
wheel.
cleaner, dude. I got you, bro.
Give me a little squirt.
A little squirt here. It's gonna be brand new. Damn.
So we got the minivan pulled in. We cleaned off the transmission that came out of the hatch. We got it brake cleaned off, and then went ahead and respray painted it to make it look nice for the minivan because it was absolutely disgusting. And yeah, we're gonna get that transmission thrown in the minivan tonight. That one has the LSD in it, so it'll be a lot better in the minivan. The minivan will have a lot better traction, spinning both tires instead of just one tire firing. With that transmission, it is just stock, so we'll see how long it holds up. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and start tearing into it, get that new transmission thrown in here, and see how it does. Hold on, this bar's in your way a little bit. Okay, so we got the new tranny going in, all painted. We got the mount on it we need. We had to put like the reverse switch on it. But Brent came by, and he's convinced he can get it on completely by himself. So he's muscling it in there right now.
This is the Honda train.
It's not like he's done a million of them.
Muscles.
He's just going for it. Yeah, we really didn't film much of taking it out since you guys have seen us do it like 100 times. But yeah, I mean, I'm not complaining. Means I don't have to do it.
Oh, you got it.
Damn, he's getting
That's
it.
Yeah, I can almost put the bolt in.
Did it actually slide on?
Yeah, it's sliding in.
What the heck?
You got that shit quick.
He's still having to wiggle it though.
Yeah, it's almost on there.
Hell yeah, it is.
Dude, we always struggle so much with this transmission in the van.
Be able to just slam it. I just can't. I'm close
I'll
to the dowel.
give you my phone if you don't break it.
You know me.
Where are you at? Where do you need the light at?
I just gotta see this dowel. That's all I'm stuck on.
Just to line the dowel pin up.
Can you see?
Yeah, it looks like the motor still needs to come forward. Yeah.
Got it. It's
Oh, it's on.
done.
It's on. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
Don't challenge me.
I am impressed. I am impressed.
Challenge me. I had to do it.
Well,
Needed a little light in the back. That's
I knew once you said.
I couldn't see that dowel. It was like a dark shadow.
Well, I knew once you said I gotta do it, like I knew you were gonna pull it off because you just always do. Damn.
by himself.
If the motor didn't like.
All by himself. Pretty well. We had to help you. We had to help a little bit.
The motor
but
had to push forward, but.
Yeah, but look at it. Sit back. All right, let's just put the bolts back in now.
I mean, she's on. She's got to put it all back together. All right, so the new transmission is in. Just have to get the axles and stuff bolted back up and finish bolting up the downpipe, plug everything back in, put the boost pipe and intercooler back on, and she'll be ready to go. Probably drive around tomorrow. Thank you, Brent, for getting that in there all by yourself. I was very impressed.
I was near watching.
Easy peasy.
Yep, Emilio and Shane were helping out as well, so thank you guys. And yeah, we'll be driving her tomorrow, but I'm gonna call it for tonight and I'll pick back up when I get back from class. All right, so it's the next day. The transmission is all back in, everything's ready to go. We just topped it off with fluid. We used Pennzoil Synchro Mesh. That's what we normally run in these, works really good. And yeah, she's all set. And what should we do now that the transmission's in?
You just fucking send it. You have to. You have to make sure it holds up. So.
Yeah, I guess we gotta go break her in real quick.
Yeah.
Let's see if she holds. What's up, Alfred? You just chilling? Nah, I'm not gonna two-step it. That's messed up, bro.
He's hella terrified already.
Yeah, he's just chilling. I'm not gonna ruin his day like that.
There's the beer. Oh god. Dang, dude. Bro.
I think it just broke third gear.
Okay.
Oh my god. still doing this roll and burnout, even if I have to do it in second.
Yo, check that out. Dude, that's sick. Roasting both.
Alright guys, so we just did a flyby in the van. That was in second gear. I was gonna do a third gear and it was gonna be a lot more tire smoke going by, but on the way here, the tranny already broke. It couldn't even handle one pull on the way over. Already snapped third gear. So well, actually we got that one pull and then right after that we did it again and it just popped third gear. So that's really unfortunate. But the good news is the LSD is working because as you can see, we got 2 tire marks going all the way down there. You can't even see the end of it from here. But yeah, the Odyssey's sitting over there and tranny's already broke. Sad day.
Bummer.
Yeah, we're gonna have to throw a dog box in it or something because it just can't handle the power, dude. She makes too much.
Too much.
She makes too much. I'm guessing that LSD, since it's hooking so much better with the limited slip, dude, it just can't handle the load because second gear is probably only, I think it's like 500-ish horsepower because it does have boost by gear, but third gear is all of it, so it just fucking, it was done. I mean, it should have, I was hoping it would just start spinning though, you know, and not really put much load on nothing, but it broke her, guys. So we got first, second, you can hear some noises coming from the tranny as well, and then once we go to third, she is not happy. So much disappointment right now.
Oh, God.
Listen to it. All that work. Wasted. Yo, my boy Alfred's still chilling. Yo, so I got some bad news, dude. The van, oh, like I was saying, the van's broke, man. So, can't give you that ride along. You want it? Oh, okay. Thought we were homies. Alfred, no. Alright guys, well, not the best news for the minivan. Already broke. So we're gonna have to figure out a transmission somehow. This thing just weighs a lot and it makes a lot of torque and like a lot of power. So that power just came on so fast, just couldn't handle it. So I don't get it because this transmission did fine when it was in the hatch. This is the same tranny I went 10-7 on and pass after pass it was fine, but I guess the van just too much for it. But anyways, we'll definitely figure that out another day. The van will not die here. We're not gonna give up on her. Just a lot of money for another transmission. But we got some stickers that we're gonna throw on that you guys sent us. I got a lot of these mixed up. They've just been laying around, so I forgot the names, but you know who you are. We're gonna throw some of these on here. Thank you guys so much for sending these. A lot of them are pretty funny. And yeah, I wanted to, you know, throw these on and drive the van around, but now it's broke. But we'll still put the stickers on. All right, so we're gonna start by putting this baby on board sign in the minivan. We did get quite a few of these. We got baby up in this bitch. We got 2 of those. Oh, actually 3. 3 baby up in this bitches. And then we also have a baby on board, and it's the baby from The Hangover. But we're gonna go with this one because it like has the suction cup on it. It's the real deal, and it just looks the most, you know,
Like authentic.
yeah, authentic sleeper. You know, if you have baby up in this bitch, it's kind of like a joke, but I mean it's kind of funny.
I don't know about that one.
Yeah, we do have to rock out with your cock out, but yeah, that's an exception. But we're gonna go with this one, the legit baby on board with the suction cup. Throw that on there real quick. Now we have our baby on board in the back window.
Damn, dude.
All right, so now we've got some other ones. We're gonna slap on here. This one was sent to us. It says, warning, this soccer mom has balls, with a little picture of a soccer ball going real fast. So I want to wait on that one just for a second because I'm not really sure where I'm going to put all this. I want to relocate the soccer ball just like right here in the middle because that one we can move. We got an Oprah 2020 sticker. That's going on the bumper. There we go. Oh no. Little wrinkle, little wrinkle. It's alright. Can barely even tell. We also have this one. This is a custom one sent to us. Says,
That one's like...
yeah, this one's legit. Boostedboiz soccer team.
That's dope.
That's legit. Thank you so much for sending that. This one's awesome. This is one of my favorite ones. There we go. Okay.
Sweet.
That looks sick.
Legitness.
That one's sweet.
Yeah, that one's cool.
And we have I used to have a life, but now I'm a soccer mom. And I think that should go, I don't even know where that should go.
I feel like it should go on the window.
On the window?
Yeah, because it's like
right here?
Yeah.
Oh, that one looks good.
Yeah. That's cool.
Alright. We also got a Bill Clinton. At first I thought this was Hillary Clinton, and I actually had to look it up, but I mean it's from 96 and it's Bill Clinton. It's from 96 and this thing was made in 95, so it fits its time period. So we'll slap her on. Maybe there's not enough room by Oprah. Should we go next to Oprah?
Next to it,
Yeah, because we can fill up that stuff with, we can fill up that side of the bumper with other stuff later on. Boom. Got Clinton, Oprah. Now we need to add this one somewhere real quick.
I feel like that one should go like on the, not the bumper.
I think this one should be like right up here.
Yeah, probably like up there.
Warning, the soccer mom has balls. Or actually, maybe we should put it by the Boostedboiz one. Like right here?
Soccer orientated.
Like this?
Yeah.
Like kind of sideways? Yeah, I think it looks good there. Because we can, I will literally load up the whole back of this thing with stickers. And we still have more room, so send some more. But try to send something different. We have a lot of, we got plenty of baby on board already. I mean, I'll try to use these on something else, but I got no other cars that are, I'll put them on my van.
On the daily van?
I'll just put all of them on my van.
Yeah.
Like 4 of them. But yeah, I'll try to use those. We just got a lot of the baby on boards. And then I think that's it for right now that we got that's like soccer mom related. We did get some other stickers, but I'm gonna save them for some of the other cars. We just got these ones. They actually still have the note in here. This is where I messed up. I should have kept the notes with the stickers. I apologize for that, guys, but we opened these up a while ago. We just haven't been working on the van for a while. I only have the note for these ones right here. It says, enjoy with a heart, your builds are mental. And this is Lethal Style on Instagram. And these are actually really cool stickers. These are like the JDM drift style stickers. I think I'll put these on the S14 when we get it going. Because that's like the kind of car it would fit, you know?
That's 240 stuff right there.
Yeah, these are some legit stickers.
Those are cool. I like that
yeah,
one.
that was from them, Lethal Style.
Sweet.
So thank you guys a lot for the stickers. And like I said, if you guys have more, you can clearly see we got some more room. We'll keep filling her up.
It's getting filled though, for sure.
It's starting to get filled up. I'm liking this going on. We got the Boostedboiz, and the soccer mom has balls. It's starting to come together. Now we just got to get a transmission that won't blow up right away.
No.
Well, guys, I'm sorry to say this, but the minivan is already broken again. Already broke third gear. Didn't even last 10 minutes. So that LSD is definitely working though, which is putting probably some more stress on the gears. And yeah, I don't know. She just broke right away. I don't know why. Like I said, it was fine in the hatch, and I know the van weighs a lot more than the hatch, and it is actually making more power than the hatch. But I thought with these really crappy tires, they would just break free and spin, and there'd be hardly any load on the transmission. But I don't know. I guess that instant ramp of power is just too much for it. So she's already broken. We're gonna have to get something figured out. Maybe we'll get another straight cut gear set transmission like that's in the hatch for the van. They're just a lot of money, and they're kind of hard to find, at least used. Brand new, they're like a lot of money. So we'll see. For now, I might just rebuild it once again, just so I can drive it around and just, you know, so I can drive it and to go easy on it, don't make boost, and then just try to get something figured out for this season, because I do want to try to race it down the track. But we'll get something figured out. So sorry for the unfortunate news. Right now we're going to be taking the MR2 to go pick up Jeremy's car, because he left it like good 45 minutes away from us when he was out doing his thing when we were at the car meet, and he got a ride back. So his car's up in another city right now, and we're gonna go pick it up real quick, bring it back, and that's about it. So we're gonna head out right now. All right, guys, so we made it back in Jeremy's car. We just went and picked it up, and we really didn't do too much else today. Unfortunately, like you guys saw earlier, the van did break third gear, so we're gonna have to figure something out for that in the future. For now, it's probably just gonna sit, and we'll probably pull the S14 in and start working on that. So we need to get that thing going as well. I was going to address the RSX that's in the back of the garage. You guys have asked about it a few times. So this is actually my friend Jen's. It's her RSX, and it's been here for like 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah, it's been here forever. And so what the issue was is that she slid into a curb in the snow, because we're in Colorado.
Yep.
And she kind of bent the control arm right over here. And it's been here for so long because this is like a 05 to 06 RSX. And the control arms that they ordered to fix it, or the one control arm I mean, says online that it fits 05 to 06 RSX. But they've ordered 3 of them. And here's the issue. So this is a brand new one just because we had extras, and this is the old one right here that got bent. We took that off. And this is the size ball joint that comes factory on the car. So it already has a new ball joint, everything's taken care of. The tire still looks like it might be a little tweaked, but when she brought it here, this whole wheel was like bent way in. But this is the ball joint, and this is the control arm that came out of the car. And as you guys can see, it seats all the way down so you can get a nut on there, and that's how it should be. But on all the control arms they send, even though they say it's for a 05, 06 RSX, the hole in the control arm is just way too small, and the ball joint doesn't go through hardly at all. And yeah, so we were trying to figure out how to fix that, and it eventually just came down to me using a step bit and kind of hollowing out that hole, and then I just cleaned it up with a Dremel, and now it's where it's at. So she's finally taking it home because it's been here forever.
Finally.
Yeah. I didn't want to use the step bit and Dremel on that just because I want to make sure the ball joint going in there was like, had a nice seat around all sides and make sure it clamped nicely, but that's really all we could do because every control arm they sent was the wrong size. That hole was just too small, and there was like no other ball joints that would fit the assembly in there. So that's what we did. She's good to go. And yeah, for those of you guys asking, this was Jen's RSX. She's been in the hatch before. She filmed some things, and she saved us that one night in the Odyssey with the bobby pin when the shift linkage came off. Anyways, guys, that's going to be it for tonight. I would like to mention as well that we are going to be flying out to H-Day tomorrow night is when our flight leaves. So we'll be out there. If you see us, make sure you come say hi. Excited to see a lot of you guys out there. It's a Honda event, so I'm sure a lot of you guys are going to be there. And yeah, that's really all I have to say for tonight, guys. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.